I will just take a video then.
I've never seen that before.
Me either. What you got to say there, hummy? What is it? Now we're on a video. Yes. We're taking a video now. Look at how handsome you are. What a handsome, handsome, beautiful colibri. I love. Yes. Him is very beautiful. Oh, I saw you catch a... Did you see him? He caught a bug. Did you see him catch the bug?
Yeah.
Hummy, you gonna stick your tongue out again? That was too funny. That was too funny. Well, what else you got to say? I'm gonna turn the camera off. All right? What do you think? Ooh, hummy. Colibri, colibri. Oh, mi colibri. Qué bonito colibri. Hola. Okay, we'll see you later. We'll see you. Okay, nice to have that time with you. We'll see you later, okay? All right. Very good. See you. Bye, hummy.
That was so neat, wasn't that? That was incredible.